employees are now in the safe room.
Okay, I'm at the door. I don't know how I'm going to get in when they're in the safe room, but I see this young lady. Sit down. Okay, I got her. I can't get in here, but I got her on the floor, but I'm still locked outside. But I can't get in. The lady's laying on the floor. Lay down. Lay down.
We're trying to make her open the door.
Yeah. I got the lady with her hands up, but I can't get it to them. So they're gonna have to come open this door.
They're saying someone to go to the back.
Client, call now. Let's just hold what we got. Get a couple more on scene, and we'll make the call inside and see if they can unlock the doors for us. We'll make contact.
Okay. Hey, Charlie 40, I'm with them at the back door. Which way? Through here? Yeah. Okay. Where is she?
She's in front of her.
Hey, let me swing by you. She just threw a car. She threw a chair at my damn head. Hey, keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Lay on your belly. Lay on your belly. Lay on your belly. Don't move. Understand me? Cross your ankles. Bend your feet up towards your butt. Don't move.
All right, we're all 10 12 inside the school.
Right. Put your hands behind your back.
What's your name, dear? Okay. Hang on for a second. We got to figure out what's
Let go of your hand. Let go of your hand. There you go.
Please take your time with me, officer.
Okay. All righty.
Yeah.
Where's your daughter? Okay. I thought this was a lady from a good doctor.
I have a 7-year-old.
She hasn't been searched either.
Is that the lady from the doctor?
From which doctor?
Remember the doctor over there? Is this her?
Which doctor?
Remember the doctor's making a complaint on us?
No, that's not her. No, she was older.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to roll you over and stand you up, okay?
I can roll myself over. I can't shoot nobody. I don't have a damn gun.
I understand that.
Don't shoot me, please. Please don't shoot me.
We're just gonna set you up, alright?
Please don't shoot me. I don't want to die here.
You're not going to, okay? You ready to stand up?
Sit down.
Please don't kill me.
I'm not gonna kill you, I'm checking now, okay?
Yes.
Just making sure
I don't have a gun.
Hey, can you shuffle back? If you can lean up against the wall right here. Is your phone here? Huh?
There's more people watching.
There's people watching.
Make sure I'm not dead.
Alright. I got you. I'm tracking.
Met her yesterday. Sold her a phone yesterday here.
Okay.
I went outside for work.
I'm sorry, say that again?
Got her phone numbers, boom. We had met up outside of work.
Okay.
She started acting crazy. I left her. She starts acting crazy. She's not even from Florida. She's from Atlanta. She's here
Okay.
and whatever. She starts acting crazy. I left.
Where was this at?
This was somewhere where I live. So it's somewhere in San.
Okay.
I left.
Okay.
She puts my name. She puts my phone number on Instagram Live or whatever. I'm on the way home.
Don't worry about that.
I'm on the way home, and millions of people is calling me. And
Okay.
oh no, not that. Sorry.
So, kind of let's skip that part. Let's get to today, why I'm here today.
Today she came in saying, "Where's my car? Where's this? Where's that?" Punched me in my face. threw a
Her
chair.
car?
Her
Does she have a car?
Yeah, her car was stolen.
By
She
whom?
thinks I did it. She thinks I did it. That's the thing. I
Oh,
left.
okay.
She
I'm
thinks
with
I
you.
did it. I left.
Okay.
Had people calling me. She put my name up on Facebook, on Instagram Live. People called me death threats, all that. I'm
Okay.
like, I left. You were acting crazy, so I exactly.
And this was over in Sanford.
Same thing as last night. She did the same exact shit. Started acting crazy. I left. Not doing it again. How the
Today she comes here blaming you for her stolen car.
Yeah, she came today. I was right there. She came to the door and I
scared
told
another
her.
customer. That's the
like,
main
how-
thing I'm worried about.
Yeah.
Okay. Did she do any damage to your store?
Yes. She
She
broke
just
two of the
grabbed
chairs.
the chairs and started trying to
She just broke two of the chairs. She probably broke the table right above. She hit me and she grabbed my hair. She punched me in my face and pulled.
Y'all got all this on video, right?
Probably the only thing in
I
video
hope
and
you
her
do.
videos.
Okay.
that have
Okay.
all the
Do you want to press charges for her on your finger and hair and hand?
Hit my face. She just punched me in my damn face.
Okay. Where did she hit you?
punched me right here, bro. Like, what the fuck? She grabbed my hair and punched me in my face.
Okay.
They kill a lot of people in
Where are
this
we and
country.
Jay-Z from this? Is that where
Well, how are you?
A lot of black people in Jamaica.
What about as far as yourself? You don't have consent.
No, look at my
No,
back
no,
and my
no.
wrist.
Do you feel like you want to?
You want to go talk to someone? Yeah, I think you need to talk to somebody. We're all here to make sure you're okay. You don't have anything to worry about with us, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna take care of you, okay?
Keep him away from me! Keep him away from me!
No,
Keep him away from me!
he's not coming near you. He's talking to the other officer, okay?
I don't want to see him. Justin.
She broke
I'm crazy.
She punched me in my face.
Sir, he's not bleeding.
Yeah.
Boy, I want to get the boy. Boy, get the boy.
He went out with her last night.
Oh, he did? Oh.
But check this out. She put his number on Facebook Live.
You work here?
Yeah,
Okay.
He sold her a phone yesterday.
Okay.
And he said, oh, maybe. So he met with her in Sanford.
Okay.
So she started acting crazy. She leaves him in Sanford, comes in here today, and just goes ballistic, punch him in the face, bit him.
She threw the chair when she cut my hand open, and she threw the chair at my head and pulled my hair. She got
Her car was stolen when?
So her car was stolen around the same time that I left. Because we were in
What,
the
last
neighborhood.
night?
Well, when I left.
In Sanford.
Exactly, yes. So I left running, calling all my friends. I have call logs for my friends to come pick me up. Boom, that's crazy. I left. And now she put my name on my store car, this and that. I left. I completely left.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna get you some help, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna get you some help, and then what they can do is where they help you, they can figure out a way if you want to go back. Okay.
I got my passport. I just need you to my car, my bank card.
So what are you doing here?
I'm dancing. I came from Bookings.
No. What are you doing here at the store?
Oh, I got my nails done down there, and I came to AT&T store to get a new phone.
Uh-huh.
I bought it from him.
Okay.
Mrs. Manager and two black person was in here yesterday. I sit right there by him.
Okay. And then
Because I'm black.
no. Hey,
Yes.
talk to me. What?
Because I'm black.
You came here to get a new phone? Did you get a new phone? You did? What happened after that? Ma'am. So after you got the new phone, what'd you do? Huh?
Hey, you touch your gun.
Ma'am,
You touch your gun.
it's just a position of comfort.
I don't have a gun.
We're not doing
Why
nothing.
are you touching your gun? I don't own
Ma'am.
a gun. Call me, call me a
ma'am,
mental
listen.
facility.
We're not touching your gun. We're not doing nothing.
You are racist.
He's working.
You are
He's
not
working
black
with
cop.
the people. Okay.
You are racist.
Me?
Yes.
What'd I do?
You touch your gun.
Huh?
Is that bullets in there?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, now you don't know?
I have no clue what you're talking
I don't
about.
have no clue, sweetie. Because I'm the mental one.
I don't know about that. But
You should be scared.
You have to calm down, okay? Or
You should be scared.
Okay. You're
So I got
okay.
handcuffs.
If you don't,
I got handcuffs on my hands.
Okay.
You want to put some handcuffs on my feet too?
No, I'm gonna put you back in the car if you don't calm
Don't
down.
put me there.
Be
No.
calm, okay? That's all I ask.
Can you call a hospital?
Well, we'll see about that in just a
Don't
minute.
put me in no criminal car. I'm not a
Okay,
damn
well, just
criminal.
act okay.
Where's the black people? Too much light skin in this. I need my black people. I need some Jamaican.
You got an island guy.
Island, good. I take the island.
Yeah. Puerto Rican, does that work? All right. We need you.
We need you, LT.
We need somebody in this island. I said,
That is
Puerto Rican
American.
work? And she said yes. It does not work. I
American.
asked her if a Puerto Rican would work, and she
A Puerto
said
Rican
yes.
will work. You from the islands. I'm from
There you go.
Jamaica. Okay.
I'm from Puerto Rico.
I have a Bible. I'm not the devil. He is.
A unique one
He is the devil.
situation here. I'll give it to you in a minute.
Can you look at my Bible?
What's that?
My Bible,
You need a Bible?
That's right there.
please.
She was reading it.
Oh,
when I got
I
here.
got you.
Is this a Bible, sir?
It won't go away, I promise.
If you want to press charges, we're gonna have you put it on a statement. Everything that you just told me that happened, and then
So the only way I press charges is she can get out of here and we can trespass her and she can go about her day. That's the only
Well, my
way.
manager says since she broke the property that we do want to press charges for what she broke, and we do want to get her trespassed.
regardless. So we're taking her whether you want to press charges or not. But it would just be for other reasons. But if you want to press charges,
But the main thing I'm worried about now is because the fact that the main thing that I'm worried about, exactly, the main thing that I'm worried about is when I left. She puts my Instagram, my phone number on Instagram Live, or whatever.
No, just listen to me.
Can I step? I can't focus if she's sitting.
Yeah, you can stay right
talking. So, like I said, the main thing I'm worried about is my safety at this point because she put my number on Instagram Live. I'm getting 20 calls instantly telling they're gonna come down here, they're gonna come kill me. They know where I work at now. They got switches to my face, and I'm like, bro, come on, man. Like, all for that because I left you and I didn't take your car. You're mad because you mad because you walked the other way and somebody took your car. That I have phone calls saying, watching, listening to me running away, and I got picked up.
I'm just going to pause you before you go any further. So I'm just going to be really straight with you. I can't predict what's going to happen in the future. If you feel like your safety's in jeopardy, call us and we're going to get here as fast as we can. But I understand why you feel unsafe. But
that's just it. I'm saying I have messages saying they're gonna come. I'm like, bro, what? Man, I gotta go to work. Like, what is that, bro? So what am I supposed to like?
We just need to figure out what we're gonna do with her for now, and we'll address that other stuff later.
Right. So like you said, we're gonna take her. She's most likely gonna be Baker acted. Now, whether she will be, whether she goes Baker acted with or without charges, it's. You were saying your manager wants to because of the store damages. Okay. And then it's up to you if you want to.
I have a video of her throwing the chair at me too, so it's not like when we're on the cameras, they're going to see everything. She's definitely graphic. I did not touch her at all.
So it's up to you. If you want to, then we're going to have you guys fill out a statement saying you want to press charges and everything that happened. Okay? So for you, are you going to be doing it on behalf of your manager?
No, man, he should be coming. So I'm going to call him again in a second to see if he's going to come. Because as far as the store charge, that's something different.
No, it would be you. It would be you on behalf of the store. You're an employee here, correct? Yes. Yeah. It would be you on behalf of the store.
Let me call him and see from there. That's the only thing I'll do first because I got to go off of his word.
I'm going to go ahead and let you know right now the state is probably not going to prosecute that because she's out of her mind and you have to have proven intent.
Oh, my bad, Angel. He's talking. He was like,
so, but we're happy to try. That's just my best I can tell you.
Yeah, okay.
My car been stolen for 24 hours now, and I know who stole my car. Y'all don't have to believe me, sweetie.
Who stole your car?
Him.
Up in Sanford? Was this up in Sanford?
That light skin dude right there. You can be innocent all you want, little light skin Mexican.
Come here, man. I need you. Here you go. Right here.
Yes, a black cop! I'm excited to see you.
Alright, what's going on? He's from your neck of the woods.
Where are you from? I'm not from no damn Mike.
Oh, you said Decatur.
Oh, Georgia? I was living up in Georgia. What's up? What we got? What's going on?
I'm Jamaican. I've been living in Atlanta for 8 years. He's racist. He will not. All he was doing is touching his gun. Yeah, I'm talking to your wife.
Okay, I can. I touch my gun.
Yeah, why? Are you scared? Put me in the car. Just don't take me to jail. Take me to a mental facility. Hello?
You go
Florida?
back and then it cuts
Florida?
off the side street where I'm
Florida, don't take me to jail. Florida, I did not put my hands. I did not make somebody bleed, okay? I hate the phone. I hate anxiety. I can pay for all the phones.
143550.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Remember when we came from we looked down the hall? I think that's the same hallway.
Why?
Okay.
You got coffee?
You ever gone there? You didn't do that. It's because they know.
Can I put my shoes on? You
Yes,
so
I've been there.
racist. I don't like you.
You
could have killed me.
I sure could have.
Thank you for not killing me.
Thank you for acting right.
What's her first name?
Nastasia.
Nastasia. This bag is all your stuff? That's all you got? Well, and the Bible and the shoes. Okay.
I want all my stuff over here. Please pick them up.
Gotcha. They'll get it. I promise you.
Yeah. Well,
We'll
tie around each other back. She hasn't
been my car. You came to work.
No need to be tied down necessarily, but she hasn't been searched or anything like that. Just so you know.
Okay. I got you.
Because I don't have no hair. And I'm sorry. Be nice, be nice, be nice. I'm not there. Yeah, I got my phone, I got everything. You can't go over there. You do like everyone.
So I'm double checking policy because it depended.
Oh, to take it back for it.
Oh,
Me personally, what I would do, take it back, and then I would file charges on her with the state.
I'm not a criminal.
Never used one of those.
Goes down that way, they're turning out, put her legs up, put this around her knees.
My knees.
And
Just lift me up, officer.
move it through her handcuffs and back to
Y'all
the
need
cell.
to gotta be kidding.
You get out and walk to the car, you'll be fine. Good. Yep.
Touch the gun.
We're not touching the gun. Ain't no gun. Just what happened to your shoes?
I'm locked up. They won't let me out.
Walk over to this car.
Calm down, please don't shoot me.
Like, huh? Come on this way so we can shoot.
Easiest way is just to turn around and have a seat there.
Don't keep this on me.
What's that?
This.
Yeah. For your safety and mine.
It's for your safety.
Go ahead and.
Go ahead. Just have a seat.
We want everybody safe here, so
Right.
you and us.
Can I get some air?
Yep, I'll crank the air for you.
No,
Yeah.
this air.
I'll even turn the window down for you. How's
This
that?
air.
Yeah,
We'll give you both.
yeah. I'll roll the window down for you so you can get some fresh air. You want your shoes on? JB? You want them on?
You put it out in the no, I don't have no hands. You see this? This is disgusting. Can I blow my nose? Y'all don't care about nobody but y'all damn stuff. At 25, I'm gonna become a cop. I don't have no felony, I can. And I'm just only doing it for fun. To help real black people, okay?
Okay.
Calm down, sweetie.
You're fine. You're just trying to make sure you're good and you don't fall.
I'm from Jamaica. I just need some fresh air.
We'll give you both.
Hey, do you want your seatbelt on or you want to just relax in there? You okay without a seatbelt? Is that,
Okay.
yes, you want one or no, you do not? You do not.
This is my seatbelt.
Okay.
Sounds good. Get your leg in real quick. And
We're gonna do that. We don't want to close your leg on door. Let's try and
I'm
get
not just trying to get some air, sweetie.
I know. I'm gonna roll the window down for you.
No, I'm talking about this kind of air.
But we
This
gotta get
sunshine.
going.
You know y'all ready to go?
Well, you want to get out of handcuffs, don't you?
She was charged with aggravated assault with a weapon, criminal mischief, and battery. She was sentenced to 77 days in jail, 24 months of probation, an anger management course, a mental health evaluation, 50 hours of community service, no contact with the victim, and a letter of apology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.